Okay, and this is video 3 of a 3-video series that we're covering the jog wheel section of the master unit. Now, we're actually going to talk a little bit about the transport buttons that are on the surface that are right around the jog wheel. We will, in a future video, cover more in depth the transport functions here. So we're just going to highlight these buttons very quickly. So you'll notice we have obviously our transport buttons. We have fast forward and rewind, and then your obviously stop, play, and record. But we also have a left and right button that allows you to move to your left and right locators and jumps your cursor to those. If we were to use the set button, and wherever your cursor is, if set is highlighted and you hit left, then it reassigns your cursor to that position. But again, we'll cover that more in another video. Then we have previous and next event. So let's say I was on, let's select the bass track here, and I wanted to jump to the beginning of that bass track event. I can hit previous event or next event, and it will just jump me to that event. And you can do that throughout your whole project. There's also a memory and zap, and for those of you that don't know what that is, you can, let's say we liked this screenshot right here, and wherever your cursor is placed, you wanted to start there. And jump back to this at any time. If you click and hold memory down for 1 second, it stores that position. And then let's say we had jumped around somewhere else and we wanted to get right back to that position again. You hit zap and it jumps you right back there. And so that's very handy if you had to move over to another part of the project and we're working on something and then you wanted to get back where you were originally. You just hit zap and there you are, and your screenshot comes back as well. So that's handy. And then we have a pre and a post roll that you can quickly turn on or off, and you would adjust that up here using the encoders by the touch screen. But we'll talk a little bit more about that in other videos. But just wanted to mention they're there. Also, you have a punch in and punch out button right here, and that's your automatic punch in or punch out. And then you have your cycle button, which will cycle your cursor between your two left and right locators. So you can turn that on or off there, as well as your sync. You can turn it on or off right here on the surface. So that is mainly what we'll cover in this video. Again, thanks for watching these 3 videos. As usual, if you have any questions or suggestions, email me at brad@pulsesound.com, and would love to cover anything that you're questioning or have any, if you need help with something, would love to research it out for you and try to make a video for it. Thanks for watching.